Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. Today we will learn how to simplify algebraic fraction by factorizing the numerator and denominator and then cancelling common factors. We will start pure mathematics, algebraic fractions, exercise 7a, question number 1. Let's get started. Now the question number 1 part A is 4x power 5 plus 5x square minus 7x by x. We will solve this question. First of all, we will take x as common from the numerator and gives 4x3 plus 5x minus 7 by x. Now we will cancel x because x is common. So remaining is 4x3 plus 5x minus 7. This is the answer of this part. Now we will solve part B. Now part B is 7x5 minus 5x power 5 plus 9x cube plus x square by x. We will solve this. First of all, 7x5 minus 5x5 becomes 2x5 plus 9x cube plus x square by x. We will take x square as common. X square into 2x cube plus 9x plus 1 by x. Now we will cancel this x by this and get x into 2x cube plus 9x plus 1. So this is the simplest form. We will say this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve part C. Now part C is minus x power 4 plus 4x square plus 6 by x. We cannot take x as common, so we will divide each part by x. Minus x4 by x plus 4x square by x plus 6 by x. Now solve this further. It gives minus x cube plus 4x plus 6 by x. So this is the simplest form and this is the answer. Now we will solve part D. Now in part D we have 7x power 5 minus x cube minus 4 by x. In this question we cannot take common x. So we will divide each by x. 7x5 by x minus x cube by x minus 4 by x. So we will get 7 x power 5 minus 1 is 4 minus x power 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 4 by x. This is the simplest form and we will say this is the answer. Now we will solve part C. In this question we will take 2x as common. So 2x into 4x3 minus 2x square plus 3 divided by 2x. We will cancel 2x by 2x and answer is 4x cube minus 2x square plus 3. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve part F. First of all, we will take 3x as common. 3x minus 4x minus 1 by 3x. So cancel 3x by 3x. we have 3x minus 4x square minus 1. This is the simplest form and this is the answer. Now we will in part G we have 7x cube minus x4 minus 2 by 5x. In this question we cannot take common factor, so we will solve this by dividing each by 5x and give us the simplest form. So 7x cube by 5x minus x4 by 5x and minus 2 by 5x. We will have 7 by 5, x3 minus x1 is x2 minus x4 minus x1 is x3 by 5 minus 2 by 5x. So this is the answer of this question. Now in this part we will take minus 2x as common. So we will write minus 2x into 2x plus 3x cube minus 1, and when we take minus as common, the signs inside the bracket will also be changed. So this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus, minus 2x. So minus 2x will be cancelled by this minus 2x and we have 2x minus 3x cube plus 1 is the answer of this question. Now we will solve this. Minus x power 8 by minus 2x plus 9x power 4 by minus 2x minus 4x cube by minus 2x plus 6 by minus 2x. We will get minus minus plus. So x power 8 minus 1 is 7 by 2. Plus minus is minus. So we have 9. X power 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. Minus minus is plus. So we have 2. X power 3 minus 1 is 2. And we have minus 4 minus 3 by x. This is the simplest form and this is the answer. Now we will solve last part of this question, part J. In this question we cannot take any term as common. So we will divide each term by minus 3x, minus 9x power 9 by minus 3x, minus 6x power 6 by minus 3x, plus 4x power 4 by minus 3x, minus 2 by minus 3x. So we will get 3, x power 9 minus 1 is 8, minus minus plus 2, x power 6 minus 1 is 5, minus 4 by 3, x power 4 minus 1 is 3. So plus 2 by 3x. So this is the answer of this question. If you found this video helpful, subscribe mathsolver1117 and also share the videos. In the next video we will solve next question of this exercise. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.